me Momita. Welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. Today we are going to make a creamy mashed potato. It's very delicious and yummy in taste. So without further delay, let's begin with the recipe. Here I took 3 medium-sized potatoes and I will boil it in a pressure cooker up to 3 whistles. You can boil it in a pan also. Once it boils, I will transfer it to a pan so that it will release the extra moisture that is present in the potatoes. Then transfer it to a bowl and mash the potatoes nicely. You can use a masher, a fork or a spoon of your choice. Try to avoid food processor for this. Mash the potatoes nicely. Once the potatoes are mashed, we will sieve the potatoes. This step may take some time, but the result is wonderful because it will make the potato much more creamy and smooth. See the smooth texture of the potatoes. Use your arm strength and sieve the potatoes nicely. Once the potatoes are sieved, I added some black pepper of half teaspoon of salt, and some melted butter to it. Now mix all the things together, fold the potatoes nicely. In another side, in a pan, take some fresh cream, keep the flame low to high, add your favorite herb. Here I took corianders and some cloves of garlic. In this step, you can add some flavor to our mashed potatoes. You can add other herbs if you want. Cook it for some time. Let it release its flavor. After 2 minutes, strain the cream and remove the herbs and cloves from it. Now slowly add the cream to the mashed potatoes and start folding the potatoes with the cream. See the smooth structure of our potatoes. There is no lump. Our potatoes are looking very smooth. Take it out in a plate. Spread some butter, some coriander and some black pepper on top. And enjoy the smooth and creamy mashed potatoes at home. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the recipe, hit the like button, share with your family and friends. And for more such recipe, please subscribe to my channel.